episode unboxing series. Today we have a 4D RC racing boat. Let's open this up. Here's the remote control and this is the racing boat. Ooh, let's put this right over here now. Oh, what's inside? This is just white. Wait, I don't see any parts. See? Maybe we open it. Yes, we open it. Here's the boat. Let's remove this over here. Look, can you see it closer? The boat is so beautiful and super shiny. The colors and design were perfectly painted and not stickers. I love it. This is the stand of the boat. This one, then this one maybe, and the boat. Now the boat will fit in here. Now, what's next? What's this? It's what's this? This is the remote control. Let's see. This boat has a remote control. Left and right, forward and backward. Okay, let's put this right over here. This. Oh, okay. Let's open this. Oh, like this. We open this like this. And now like this. This is the charger. Let's put it right here. This is where you charge the boat. You put this. Okay. What's this? Oh, I know what it is. This is the battery. The battery of the boat. Okay, let's put it right over there. Ooh, what? Oh, see, it's on the stand already. Okay. These are the extra parts. Let's put it right. Let's test the battery and the charger. We connect these together. Let's put this right here already. Now, here is my Bosch. Now, it's gonna charge this battery. Insert this. Wait, alright. Insert this here. Wait, first. Ta-da! Then, insert this. Where is the way? Let it right this. Insert this here. It's charging. Look at here. Look, the red and green means it's charging. It's green already, then it's full. Now, let's remove this. Next is the remote. To open, we have to push then slide. Oh, it slides too much. Positive and negative. Maybe it won't fit in. Both positive and negative. What? You will slide it. See? What? Wait a minute. Oh, it's red. Or maybe the boat is not turned on. Let's insert the battery of the boat. Okay. Look at this. It's massive. The boat is so massive. Okay. Push, then slide. I mean up. There's a switch over here. There's switch. Almost to the switch, this one. And this one is the battery. Bap, bap, bap. Let's insert this here. Okay, I hear the click. And now you put this inside. Now it will turn on. Now make this steady red light, meaning connected to the remote. Look at this. If you move this, one will move. Lights off. This is the speed gear. It's really good. The battery is good and ready to play. Here's the box. Here is the remote. And let's go. Yes, I hope it won't see. The wave is too strong. There you go. Did you know a boat is a small vessel propelled on water by oars, sails, or an engine? Very interesting, right? For more interesting machines, please like and subscribe. And thank you for watching. See you in the next video.